Homeopathy offers various remedies for managing anal fistula, a condition where an abnormal connection forms between the rectum and the skin around the anus, often resulting from infections or abscesses. Here are some of the top homeopathic remedies commonly recommended for anal fistula. However, it's always advised to consult a qualified homeopath for personalized treatment. 1. Silicea. Benefits. Known for aiding the body in expelling foreign matter, Silicea is effective for managing recurrent fistulas with discharge. It's helpful when the fistula is painful, and there's pus or offensive discharge. Usage. Typically used in low potencies, as directed by a homeopath. 2. Hepar sulphuris calcareum, Hepar Sulph. Benefits. Works well for fistulas with pus and throbbing pain. Hepar Sulph is ideal for people who experience sharp, splinter-like pain and have sensitive skin prone to infections. Usage. Often recommended in cases where there's foul-smelling discharge and tenderness around the fistula. 3. Calcarea Phosphorica. Benefits. Effective for chronic fistula cases, especially in individuals with a history of poor healing. Calcarea Phosphorica is useful when there's a slow recovery and discharge. Usage. Commonly used for recurring fistulas where the healing process needs support. 4. Myristica Sebifera. Benefits. Known as the homeopathic knife, Myristica is considered very useful in treating fistulas that tend to develop abscesses. It helps drain pus and promotes natural healing. Usage. Often indicated when there's pus formation and a tendency for abscesses. 5. Paeonia Officinalis. Benefits. Best suited for fistulas with intense pain and burning sensations. It can relieve the discomfort around the anus, especially when the fistula is painful and raw. Usage. Typically used in specific potencies to alleviate the soreness and discomfort. 6. Lycopodium Clavatum. Benefits. Helps with fistulas that have a history of constipation and flatulence. Lycopodium is particularly useful when the discharge is thick, yellowish, and foul-smelling. Usage. Useful in cases where digestive issues accompany the fistula. 7. Sulphur. Benefits. Known as a great remedy for chronic and recurring fistulas. Sulphur helps people with intense itching and burning around the fistula, along with discomfort and pain. Usage. Typically prescribed for individuals who experience burning and irritation with slow recovery. These remedies should only be taken under the supervision of a qualified homeopath, as each remedy is specific to individual symptoms and conditions.